Hi everyone, today I'll be unboxing my brand new Asus motherboard. It's the ROG Crosshair VII Hero. It's the Wi-Fi version. It has the X470. It's the Ryzen 2nd generation chipset. Let's get to unboxing. I have a foldable cover here, which unboxes pretty nice. I don't know if this is the standard issue because actually when I first unboxed it, my RAM kit was inside the packaging. Let's rotate the motherboard. As you can see, it's plain black, no other colors. Also, Asus was pretty enthusiastic with some labeling, which I actually see them. As you can see, this is CPU, that's not a G, it's a CPU. This is the M.2 with a heat spreader. Okay, let's see what's next in the box. I think I can pretty much move it to the side. Next, these are a bunch of stickers which you get inside the motherboard itself, like this one: do not disturb, game on, join the republic. Nice. I'll be putting this aside. This is the coffee mug holder. This is a coupon if you want to use it at cable mode. I won't be using it, so take it, it's yours. This is the driver CD. This is the motherboard layout. I don't know what this is. Paperweight. This is the Asus International Warranty Certificate. This is actually the book which you would like to read before wobbling and finding out which PCI Express in combination with which is playing nice and which is not, because you're using PCI Express lanes. Here on the left of the of the box is the Wi-Fi antenna. I'll be showing it to you when it's built. Okay. Next, this is some RGB connector, two SATA cables, another two SATA cables. This is another RGB, if I'm not mistaken. It says 18 watts. Next, let's see what's in the upper part. On the upper part, we have the front I/O, which you configure to see to a better and faster configuration, not wobbling on the motherboard. Here are some screws. I don't know for what are they. Another screw, and the 10 series high bandwidth bridge is the HB SLI bridge from Asus. No fancy connector whatsoever. This actually it's everything what was in the board. I'll be putting the board itself back in. So, thank you for watching. Like if you liked it, dislike if you disliked it, and have a nice day.